Hello guys, I greet you all today. Today I'm going to show you what we're gonna do here in this project. You don't want to miss this. I want you to keep watching as we are going to clean the roof. Yes, so please guys, before you go any further, please can you subscribe, can you click that like button? Thank you very much. So I'll be showing you stage by stage how we're gonna clean this roof. Yes, let me show you. From the start, we started by setting out our ropes where we wanted to make sure there's safety, because as you can see on the tiles or on the roof sheets, there are molds everywhere. So because they are dry, it is so slippery. Imagine it is like you are stepping on the sand from the floor that is slope, so the slippery, it is too much. So we didn't want to take chances, so we make sure our safety. So we use the rope and the harness, we hang it on the fireplace there. And now as you can see, we are just testing if the machine is properly working. And from there we started first spraying it, as you can see, with a high pressure wash. So now some of the areas were not really coming out, so what we do, we then again, when we watered it everywhere, when it was wet, we apply chemical for molds, and that chemical, when we apply it, we'll wait for at least like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then we'll then again come back. So now we will not worry. Some areas that are not coming out, we'll just do the random clean. Then after that, we can come back again when we put the chemical. So in this case, we're gonna put the chemical, make sure the whole roof is wet. And once it's wet, you can see that side, some parts are dry, some parts there is already chemical on there. And now we will come back again and do it. And I will put the chemical name on the description below. So now we came back again on this front side. We are cleaning for the last time. The chemical was there already for about 30 minutes. And yeah, it is really going well. As you can see, it is really going well. And you can see how dirty this thing was. And now we are on the other side, cleaning, making sure everything is nice and smooth on the underside. So once we're done from the roof, all the ones that were falling from the roof, we went again and cleaned it. Unfortunately, I didn't show it on the video. Yeah, I even come on top of the tree so that I can take this video. Yes, you can see I'm on top of the tree. Let me show you where I stand. Ta-da! Thank you guys. Yes, you can see this side is done already. I just left with that other side. They are nice and clean. And this side, you can see the others are all cleaned. Nice. And this side, as you can see, it is going well, really well. You can see from there. Nice. High pressure washing.